boiler doesn't start, you go to the clock and you make sure that this lever is on the on position. If it's on the on position, when you turn this switch on, you'll hear the fan start, and that's normal. If it doesn't start, you've got to first check the lever. The next is to check the low water cutoff. Now, go over there and you'll see where the reset is. The reset is right here.
Sure.
And you push that in. That would be off on low water, which would never happen usually, but then you would come to this high temperature red button. You would push that. If it still doesn't start, then you go to this other high temperature limit, which is right here, and you push that one. Those are the resets that would prevent it from coming back on.
But wouldn't that indicate a problem? Obviously, low
Well-
water or high temperature. What?
Sometimes when you shut the boiler down, if the temperature is, say, 195 and you shut it down, there's enough residual heat in the boiler, it may rise above the setting and it
I
may
see.
trip it. It happens very seldom because I try to take the temperature out of the boiler.
And we observe the temperature there or the stack temperature?
No, you look at the temperature here.
And what would be the maximum for shutting it down that we should get it below?
Before he does a Wile E. Coyote and blows up.
Precisely. Remember, you're only a block away.
If the temperature is above 180, you would want to get it down, say, to 160. If you got it down to 160 by using some of the heat, maybe some of the temperature would be for the domestic hot water, and at 160, you can shut it off and it won't cause
Okay.
any of these resets to go.
Okay.
So those are the items that that may prevent it from coming on when you're going to go ahead and start it. The main disconnect for the power is over here. This will shut everything off electrically. It won't start.
And that's specific to the boiler.
That's specific to the boiler. I
Okay.
guess we could mark that, but, so, if everything is, you went through the whole, procedure on the resets and making sure the clock is on, if you don't get any starting at this point, then, you better get a
Seek
meter out.
professional help.
And